say pass when we are doing this. We say pass. What is pass? P stands for what? Pull what? What are we pulling? Pulling the pin. And then after that we do what? We do what? We aim. Where do we aim? The base of the fire. Why the base? Or test? Okay. That is where the chemical reaction is doing what? Is happening at the base of that fire. You see, fire is a complex chemical reaction where heat, light, and flame is being what? Produced. But we are focusing on where that reaction is doing what? That's why we aim at the base. After aiming, you will sweep. We sweep. Why are we sweeping? Your answer is good. Just say it loud. We are sweeping. Look at my hand. And then now we squeeze. When we're squeezing, we're squeezing the nozzle here, the handle here, so that it discharges the content inside. So that's how we pass. So that is what firefighter they know will tell us now. We ask questions. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are going to start with the CO2. First, my colleagues have already said, what type of fire are we going to use CO2? Glass? We are not attending you. What about fodder? Fodder, we were told that fodder is a multi-purpose. We can use it in almost all fires. And this foam. Foam? Which type of fire we will use? Glass?
Say it loud. That's the answer. Just be confident. Class B, CDO, which is what? Remember what?
Yes.
Liquids.
Okay, let's start with the CO2. How to use fire extinguisher. You are told while using this CO2, you're supposed to touch here. So ushike hapa si pipe. Because ikitoka, here's some freezing. So let's assume the fire is here. And we are advised not to face fire direct. You can face it by our back, not direct.
So what he's saying, don't face fire directly. Why? Why? Huh? You know the answers, but you are murmuring. Why? Ile burning sensation. So you face it. That's what it's doing.
Okay, so we were told we are going to use what we call pass. First of all, what is pass? Vile amesema. We pull, then we aim,
Squeeze.
then
Squeeze.
So first, this is what we pull. We pull this one, the pin. This is the pin. We pull it out. Then we do what? We aim. Let's assume there's fire here. Yeah, in. So we'll move. Then I aim. I sweep. At the base of the fire. Okay? At the base. So here's the answer. And the fire goes. iko chini. So I have to aim and then I shoot. Okay. And we are told this one is not good when we're using outside. Okay. And now this is the fodder. Also, we do the same thing on fodder. So don't throw this pin away. Because after finishing, you will replace it back. Huh? Because maybe you are done and the extinguisher still have some. You don't need it. So we do the same. So fodder also. You pull, then you turn, then you aim, then
So this is why we are saying 0 watt. BCP.